Alright guys, this is an FSD 13.2.2 video. What I want to do here is leave this parking spot with full self-driving, and then I'm going to pull back into it with auto park, and then I'm going to leave using the new Autoshift that's in the update as well. So to go from here, we're going to press and hold start. Car goes into reverse right away. Okay, good job. I would have done that like a little bit differently, just in the fact that we could have backed up more to do that as one move, but I'll put the car back in here with auto shift. Again, it's strange it's not using more of the space, because now we're going to get really tight to that. Oh. That was closer than I would have got. It's impressive how confident it is with its front. Like, it gets closer in the front than I ever would. But, okay, so here it is with a human driver doing it. I can tap to reverse, back up, and then to leave here, all I have to do, brake, turn the wheel, go, drive, and I'm out. It's very cool the way that the new auto shift works. It's very seamless, and honestly kind of makes the whole experience that much more impressive, because you're never having to touch the screen anymore. So for the times that you're not using full self-driving and you need to do any sort of a 3-point turn or anything to maneuver, yeah, it's incredible. I hope the other Teslas get it soon.